Q9005-1. A landing weight increase of 1% will result in a landing distance increase of approximately A. 7%, B. 10%, C. 15%. The correct answer is B. The minimum landing distance will change in direct proportion to the change in gross weight. For instance, a 10% increase in landing weight would result in a 10% increase in landing distance and a 5% increase in landing velocity. Q9005-2. A landing weight increase of 10% will result in A. 7% increase in kinetic energy, B. 21% increase in kinetic energy, C. 33% increase in kinetic energy. The correct answer is B. A 30,000-pound airplane landing at 175 knots has a kinetic energy of 41 million FTLBS at the moment of touchdown, as an illustration of how well aircraft brakes work. A 10% increase in landing weight results in a 10% increase in landing distance, a 5% increase in landing speed, and a 21% increase in the amount of kinetic energy that must be dissipated by the aircraft during the landing roll. 8854. What report should the pilot make at a clearance limit? A. Time and altitude/flight level arriving or leaving. B. Time, altitude/flight level, and expected holding speed. C. Time, altitude/flight level, expected holding speed, and inbound leg length. The correct answer is A. The time and altitude/flight level at which the aircraft approaches the clearance limit, as well as when it departs the clearing limit, should be reported to ATC by the pilot. 9014. Where are position flight on airways or routes? Reports required on an IFR. A. Overall designated compulsory reporting points. B. Only where specifically requested by ARTCC. C. When requested to change altitude or advise of weather conditions. The correct answer is A. Compulsory reporting points are specific locations along the airway or route where pilots are required to report their position to Air Traffic Control, ATC. These points are typically marked on charts and indicated by their coordinates or named fixes. Pilots must provide their position, altitude, and other relevant information when passing these compulsory reporting points. 9015. Which reports are required when operating IFR in radar environment? A. Position reports, vacating in altitude, unable to climb 500 feet per minute, and time and altitude reaching a holding fix or point to which cleared. B. Position reports, vacating in altitude, unable to climb 500 feet per minute, time and altitude reaching a holding fix or point to which cleared, and a change in average true airspeed exceeding 5% or 10 knots. C. Vacating in altitude, unable to climb 500 feet per minute, time and altitude reaching a holding fix or point to which cleared, a change in average true airspeed exceeding 5% or 10 knots, and leaving any assigned holding fix or point. The correct answer is C. The reason for requiring these reports when operating IFR in a radar environment is to ensure effective communication and situational awareness between the pilot and Air Traffic Control, ATC. By providing these reports, the pilot helps ATC to maintain accurate and up-to-date information about the aircraft's position, altitude changes, speed, and adherence to assigned routes or procedures. This information is crucial for ATC to provide appropriate instructions, maintain safe separation between aircraft, and effectively manage the flow of traffic. It enhances overall communication, coordination, and safety in the airspace system.